Hello guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. May God bless you all. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has described the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Malami's son, as a hypocrite. According to Ejiofor, Malami suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police DCP Habakiyari to the extradition proceedings before a Nigerian court after participating in the alleged criminal abduction of Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and retentioning to Nigeria. The lawyer wondered why Nnamdi Kanu wasn't subjected to the same extradition proceedings as also mutually provided under Kenyan laws. He declared the arrest of the IPOB leader as unlawful and an infringement on his international human rights, adding that Malami should be cooling off in jail at the moment. He posted on Twitter, the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation, Malami's son, is aware of the existence of the Nigerian Extradition Act, Cap E25, the laws of the Federation 2004, particularly the compelling provision of Section 15 of this Extradition Act. Yet, he proceeded on a gross violation of this law to participate in the criminal abduction of Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and extraordinarily retentioned him to Nigeria instead of subjecting him to his extradition proceedings as also mutually provided under Kenya laws. Pertinent to note that this same AGF, Malami, also subjected the disgraced suspended APC Habakiyari to the same extradition proceedings before the Nigerian court. So, why was Mazi Nnamdi Kanu not afforded the same opportunity before he was forcefully retentioned to Nigeria, he asked. The law is now settled that the Attorney General of the Federation and his compliance committed an act of terrorism under their own very law for the manner in which they violated international laws with impunity in the forceful abduction and retention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. It is to be noted that also that Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is by virtue of provisions of another Nigerian law under Section 2, 3 in brackets, F in brackets of the Terrorism Prevention, Amendment and Prohibition Act 2022, a victim of terrorism. Malami's son is equally aware of the provisions of this law. In a Senate civil society, the Attorney General of the Federation and his compliance would be in the prison cooling off for their flagrant violation of Nigerian laws, which constitutes an act of terrorism. However, and most unfortunate, we are in a country of anyhowness, where anything goes. Onyendo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom is what we are asking, and the hour has come, no going back, he said. Okay guys, what's your take concerning this? Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has described the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Malami's son, as a hypocrite. According to Ifeanyi Ejiofor, Malami subjected suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police, DCP Habakiyari, to the extradition proceedings before a Nigerian court after participating in the alleged criminal abduction of Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya and retentioning him to Nigeria. The lawyer wondered why Kanu was not subjected to the same extradition proceedings as also mutually provided under Kenya's law. He declared the arrest of the IPOB leader as unlawful and an infringement on his international human rights, adding that Malami should be cooling off in jail at the moment. The truth is that we are in a country where a particular set of a region or set of people, say to say, are more favored than the other regions. Nnamdi Kanu is actually suffering for the fact that he is from the southeast, an Igbo man. That is a sin. Ãbdücting case is a different one to them because he's an Fulani man. So they will go to any length to protect their own. But this is unfair. This is really very, very unfair. Nnamdi Kanu today was adopted from Kenya to Nigeria. Nigerian government refused to extradite Ãbdücting, suspended disgraced Ãbdücting to the US. But the same people went and adopt, and extradite IPOB leader to Nigeria. The fact remains that the Nigerian government herself knows that they've committed a crime against the IPOB leader, you understand? Well, let's see how this goes. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you.